Hello dear plant lovers, I am Juliet, the founder of My City Plants, and on this channel I am sharing with you what I have learned about houseplants and my best care tips to help you to grow happy and healthy plants. This is another Watch Me Work episode, and today I am going to repot this giant rubber tree. Why I'm doing it, I'll let you know in a minute. All you have to do is just to relax and watch me do it. I am planning to make a separate video about rubber plants, what they need to grow happily, how to care for them, and answer questions that I have received from our viewers and customers. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer all of them in that video. Don't forget to subscribe and keep your notifications on so you do not miss our new videos. This plant has been growing in this planter for about 4 years. It's spotted in a Lechuza self-watering planter, Cubico 30. Lechuza self-watering planters are my favorite. They provide drainage and low watering frequency 3 times compared to regular pots, thanks to the built-in sub-irrigation system and water reservoir. If you want to learn more about Lechuza self-watering planters and how the sub-irrigation system works, you should browse through our playlist Lechuza self-watering planters, and I will provide the link for you in the video description. The plant looks amazing and it grew a lot. 4 years ago, this guy was about this tall, and look at it now. You probably wonder, why am I repotting this plant if it looks so great? Well, I'll tell you, this guy, even though it's thriving, grows a lot of new leaves for us, I know it's root bound. How do I know that? Easy. The watering frequency has drastically changed. If before I had to refill the reservoir and water this plant once every 3 weeks or so, now I have to refill the reservoir once every 10 days or so. So it is time to repot this guy to make him feel better and cut down my frequent trips to the sink. The new planter for this plant will be Lechuza self-watering planter Ronda 40. This planter is 16-inch diameter and much deeper, where this guy is only 12-inch in diameter. In my experience, rubber plants do not like to have too much room around their root system. That is why I am not repotting it in a much larger planter. So 16 inches would be absolutely enough for this guy. Proper soil mix is critical for ficus plant. They need really good drainage, so choose potting mix that offers great porosity. I use good dirt potting mix. It has a lot of perlite, which offers an extra drainage and filled with all essential nutrients. Now I'm gonna put my bright green gloves on and go to work. I am done. Now this plant is repotted, cleaned. It's in a bigger planter and should be happy in this planter for the next 2-3 years. It was great having you guys with me here. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put in the comments the questions about these plants. If you have any, share your best tips with others. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, take care of your plants, and I'll see you soon.